In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your website's address on Wix. If you're looking to refresh your site or just want a new URL, this guide will walk you through the process. Changing your site address can sound daunting, but Wix has made it straightforward, and I'm here to ensure you get through it without a hitch. First, let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on your dashboard here. You'll find a list of all the websites you've created under your account. Simply select the website you wish to update. Now that you're inside your chosen site, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a sidebar with several options. Go ahead and click on Settings. It's your go-to section for making various modifications to your site. As you scroll down through the settings page, keep an eye out for the website address URL section. This is where you'll make the changes you need. In this section, you'll see your current free Wix URL, which typically looks something like username.wixsite.com/site name. To change it to something new, click on Change Site Address. Here, you'll be able to type in your desired site name. It could be something like username.wixsite.com/new name. Whatever reflects your updated branding or preference. Once you've entered your new site name, click Save to confirm your changes. You've now successfully updated your site URL, but you're not done just yet. For these changes to take effect, you need to publish your website again. Look for the Publish button, often located at the top right of your screen, and give it a click. This step is crucial because it ensures that your site goes live with the updated domain. Once you've clicked Publish, your website should now open with the new Wix free domain you've just set up. It's always a great idea to check that everything is running smoothly after making changes to your site. Simply enter your new URL in your browser to verify that everything looks the way it should, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully updated your website address on Wix. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a world of difference when it comes to making your site feel fresh and new. As always, if you encounter any issues or have questions, the Wix Help Center is available with answers to most common queries. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site updating!